Today we got the Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro 4G. This device is charging and it's 100%, but this device can't power on. The customer brought it and told me he can't power it on. The device has drained battery and then they can't pressing the power button. So that means 100% the power button is broken or damaged or maybe loose. We are going to open this device and see what could causing this problem. You can use the suction cup and then you can use the alcohol. We need to make a gap so we can go under the adhesive and then we can lift it. Remember, this bag is made from glass, so you have to be careful because we are not going to break it. It's very important. We're looking for the gap and then we insert a plastic piece and then we can swipe all over the edges. You can put more alcohol. I'm using isopropyl 99.9%. This is for cleaning the PCB and for removing the glue from the devices. We almost making the gap. This could take some time, but you have to be patient because we are here to fix the phone for the customer and not making it worse. So patient should be there always. You can see the orange plastic piece I'm using. I take them from the screen protectors for iPhones and then using for these methods. I use this metal to make a quick gap. Remember, this could break the glass easily. The patient should be necessary. You can see the gap has been made. Now the plastic piece can be inserted easily. While we are using the alcohol, we can do this job. Do you know in this video we were having festivals? Let me guess where it was. It was in April. Yeah, it was in April. So it's 2 months later I'm doing this video. I got busy these days. That's why I was far little way. So I'm back. I just only had this video for now and waiting for another devices that came to my store and fixing them. Remember, not every device we put in the YouTube because some other devices they could be the same. So we just put one video of the same model. It seems I was wrong. The bag should be made from plastic, otherwise it could be broken. I can't lift it like that. This is the Poco M6 Pro 4G. Alright, a little more alcohol, don't put too much, we don't need it to leak it to the cameras, alright? Just the necessary amount to lift the back plastic. Alright, I painted it hard. If it's glass, it could be broke easily. Also, we don't need to paint it too much, otherwise there could be a mark on the plastic. Consider subscribing. Alright, we just need a little. In this device, we should do the job fast. I'm cutting the adhesive. There's adhesive in between the cameras, so the plastic piece can go through there easily. So I used the knife to do that. Alright, the plastic has been removed. A little push. Seems there is under the sensors and the flash camera, the light, whatever it is. I'm also cutting. You see, we don't rush here. We give everything its time. I was in hurry to fix this device because I just had to leave in about 30 minutes. I'm not that hurry, but I know it. I could do that in about few minutes. It's 6 minutes now. I use the heat gun. Now takes long time, that adhesive. Alright, sometimes you should know what is necessary adhesive or the heating. I was heating 156 degree. The heating gun it's 100. I raise it to 150. Alright, I'm pushing it. It takes a long time. We should now remove it. That adhesive in that area is very strong. It's not easy to be lifted. Alright. It has been moved or removed. Now I zoomed in to see the screw. The screw is not tight. That's why the flex cable of the power button wasn't touching the board. That's why the phone couldn't turn on. Alright, we don't have to replace the power button, just we need to tight these screws. As you can see, there is another screw at the right is also not tight. So the flex cable is under the main board. So when the board cut loose, there is no connection to the main board. That's it. Just tie these screws and that's it. Assemble back in and have fun. Alright, if you have any questions, don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.